Understanding Mulching Mowers, an easy guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of gardening and lawn care. Mulching mowers. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about this term, this video will provide a clear and simple explanation, perfect for English language learners. Let's dive in. Mulching mowers are a type of lawn mower with a unique feature. Unlike traditional mowers, mulching mowers cut the grass and then chop the clippings into fine pieces. These tiny pieces are then dispersed back onto the lawn. This process is known as mulching. The key here is the special design of the mower's blades and the deck, which allows for this efficient cutting and redistribution. One of the biggest advantages of using a mulching mower is natural fertilization. The grass clippings act as a natural fertilizer, returning essential nutrients to the soil. This promotes healthier lawn growth. Additionally, mulching mowers save time and effort as there's no need to collect and dispose of the grass clippings. They are also environmentally friendly, reducing waste and the need for additional fertilizers. To get the most out of a mulching mower, it's important to mow regularly and not let the grass grow too long. Longer grass can clog the mower and reduce its effectiveness. It's also helpful to mow when the grass is dry, as wet grass can clump together and not mulch well. Regular maintenance of the mower, especially keeping the blades sharp, is crucial for effective mulching. We hope this video has shed some light on what mulching mowers are and how they can be beneficial for your lawn. Not only do they help in maintaining a healthy lawn, but they also offer an eco-friendly solution to lawn care. Thanks for watching, and we hope this has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. Happy mowing and learning!